Greetings from Chesar Dental Care. This is Vinay Kuru. I'm working with Chesar Dental Care as a product specialist for the Voson range of autoclaves since the last 4 years. You already have heard me speaking about different topics regarding sterilization and autoclaves in the last 3 videos which were released by Chesar Dental Care Services. In today's video, I would like to talk about the importance of why we need to use a water distiller and a pouch sealer. As I mentioned in my previous videos, we normally give the B-class autoclave as a wholesome package along with a water distiller and a pouch sealer. So now let us understand what is the importance of using a water distiller and a pouch sealer. Now let us take first the water distiller. What is the role of the water distiller? Water distiller basically makes distilled water. Now if you try to understand the definition of distilled water is basically water which is free of any kind of dissolved mineral ions present in it. In another way, you can say that it helps in reducing the hardness of the water, as the harder the water, the more is the presence of dissolved mineral ions in it. Now if you take any B-class autoclave in any part of the world, all the B-class autoclaves will recommend only the use of distilled water in it. The reason being, the vacuum pump which is using the water and the steam production and high vacuum conditions and high pressure conditions can result in clogging of the tube connections and steel pipe connections in the B-class autoclave with the mineral deposits which would be present in the water. So in order to prevent the problem in the vacuum pump and other parts of the B-class autoclave, it is always recommended and strictly recommended to use distilled water in a B-class autoclave. And in order to ensure that this is strictly followed by any doctor or dentist using it, there is a water quality sensor inside the B-class autoclave which will detect the quality of the water being poured inside the autoclave, and if the quality of the water is not up to the standard as per the sensor detection, then the further working of the cycle will stop and the autoclave will not allow the working of the cycle. And the same feature of water quality sensor is very much present in the Voson range of B-class autoclave being sold by Chesar Dental Care Services. Now, the other factor which can be taken into consideration, or another observations which were done in order to understand the importance of distilled water is what they did was that the water being poured inside the B-class autoclave, they put in some potassium permanganate, and potassium permanganate has a characteristic of being pink in color, and in whatever reagent or whatever water it gets mixed, it gets it a pink color. And what they did was that they put in a white towel inside the B-class autoclave. Now after the sterilization, it was observed that the towel turned pink in color. So this gave the indication that whatever impurity or whatever material or chemical or any other impurities would be present in the water will definitely appear on the surface of the instrument. And in many of the cases, like in many of the parts of India where the water quality is not really good, especially in a state like Gujarat where the hard water is present, many of the autoclaves do observe white deposits on the inside the chamber, as well as when the vacuum pump is opened up, white deposits are seen. And this is basically because of the hardness of the water, and this on a longer lifespan does create a problem in the working of the autoclave. And this is the reason that distilled water is highly recommended to be used in a B-class autoclave. So I believe you understood what is the importance of distilled water, and in order to make the distilled water, it is always recommended to use a water distiller. The reason being, many doctors have the habit of using distilled water available in petrol pumps, but you cannot ensure the medical grade quality of the distilled water. The other reason being is that how fresh is the distilled water, as even distilled water which is lying in your clinic or dental clinic for say last 4 to 5 days can also be a problem, as the machine may detect it as bad quality water and will not allow the working of the autoclave. So it is better advised that you use freshly made distilled water and let it be poured into the tank, the distilled water tank, and then use it. So in order to make sure that you're using medical grade distilled water inside the autoclave, go for a proper water distiller. And we as Tessa Dental Care Services are there to help you with that. We have the Bozone water distiller which we supply along with the autoclave, and the water distiller ensures that the quality of the water is of the utmost high quality of distilled water, and it has all the features which ensures the machine works safely. The distillation is a long process, as it takes about 4 hours to produce about 4 liters of water, and the machine automatically shuts down once the complete distillation process is over, and then this freshly made water can be readily used to be poured into the tank and used for sterilization. So for autoclave, water distiller and distilled water is a must, and make sure that the water which is being made is freshly prepared so that you are not compensating with the quality of the water. And never ever try to in order to just save some money by not purchasing the water distiller, try to purchase distilled water from any petrol pumps and use it in your autoclave, as it will create much trouble for your autoclave as well, and then you will start facing a lot of problem with your machine. So it is advised to use proper medical grade distilled water in your autoclave. Now next, let us understand the use of pouch sealer. The basic working of the pouch sealer is very simple. It helps in the cutting of the pouch as well as the sealing of the pouch. Now what is the need for cutting of the pouch? In the market, if you see, there are pouches which are available in the standard lengths which can be used by the doctor, or it is available as rolls. Now the problem with the standard length pouches is that it is only available in standard length. So the issue is that some of the instruments may not fit into it, and if a customization is required as per the length of the instrument, then that cannot be done. So with the rolls, that can be done, and if you compare the costing wise, the rolls are found to be more economical. So you can buy a roll and cut the rolls into pouches as per the length of the instrument and width of the instrument. You can buy rolls of different widths, and different lengths are available. Now in order to make sure that proper cutting happens and proper heat sealing happens, you need the pouch seal. Now in order to further understand this, let us understand what is the importance of pouching the instruments. Pouching, how does it help? Pouching, the way it helps is that when you pouch the instrument inside pouch the instrument and put it in a B-class autoclave, inside the vacuum condition, it ensures proper steam penetration, as well as it maintains the sterility of the instrument post sterilization after it is taken out. Because certain pouches have this quality that it can remain sterile, that is, the instruments inside it can remain sterile for a longer period of time. So this way, pouching helps to maintain the sterility of the instrument, and this becomes really helpful in case of certain instruments which may not be used daily by the dentist but on a less regular basis. Then for such instruments, it is recommended that you can use a pouch. Also, many of the pouches which are available in the market, they come with a chemical indicator on the side of the pouch, which again, when used for sterilization, will do a color change, which will give an indication that proper sterilization of the instruments has happened. So that can also act as a check to make sure that proper sterilization has happened. And the last, in these critical current times where sterilization becomes quite mandatory and becomes quite important, and where even the normal public is getting aware about the importance of sterilization, if you are presenting instruments in front of the patient, all pouched and sterilized, it gives a very good impression to the patient also that proper sterilization standards and measures are being taken by the dentist. Also, certain instruments, when sterilized, if it is naked and it comes out of the autoclave, whatever atmospheric bacteria or viruses are present can come in contact with the instrument and get it contaminated again. If the pouch is present on the surface of the instrument, then recontamination of that instrument chances is is minimal. So, frequent sterilization of the instrument can also be prevented with the help of pouching, as it can keep it sterile for a longer period of time. So thus you can save your time by frequent re-sterilization of the instruments as well with the help of pouches. So in all these ways, pouch sealer helps in proper pouching of the instrument. The other major characteristic which needs to be taken into consideration is that the pouches which are available in the market have a paper to plastic material, and proper heat sealing of these pouches require a proper medical grade sealer kind of instrument, and for such a purpose you need to use a proper pouch sealer. And we as Cheshire Dental Care Services have the Voson Celine pouch sealer, which is very easy to use. It has different temperature settings with which you can use the heat sealing, as well as a good proper cutting mechanism as well, and very easy to use for the dentists to handle themselves or for the assistants to handle. While pouching the instrument also, make sure that you leave some amount of distance in the pouch, say about 2 cm from the instrument length ends, and you seal it so that proper sealing is done. And also proper heat sealing of the pouch is very important, as in high vacuum conditions it should not open up. So in order to make sure that proper pouching of the instrument happens, a proper pouch sealer is necessary. I hope this small video was informative to you. In case of any queries or any further technical details about the Voson range of products which we have, you can get in touch with me or Cheshire Dental Care Services, and we will be always happy to help you with all the information and other details. Cheshire Dental Care Services is one of the leaders in the dental industry. We have a big team to provide you all the after sales service pan India. We have a big installation of the Voson range of autoclaves and other products, and majority of our doctors are very happy with the after sales service which we are providing. Please do follow Cheshire Dental Care Services on their Facebook, Instagram, and even their YouTube channel, as we would be coming up with such informative videos for our other products as well in the future. So keep in touch with Cheshire Dental Care Services for such more informative videos. Thank you.